Why? Once it gets to the tank, it might implode.
They said you would take it through here 100 miles per hour.
It's just slow.
Dude, I couldn't believe. I'm like, who is that?
Put a candle there? Is that a citronella candle?
Christy, you got this one on tape now?
Hopefully there's no one watching.
Yeah.
You gotta drive that back to his seat.
Hello.
You're not gonna drive this car.
It'll still run for a while. Keep adding water. Radiator fluid.
If it's leaking,
That thing really is on fire, is it not?
it was running in the hole.
Dude, I hope
Here
your
it
mom
goes.
doesn't get pissed, Reed.
It's going now.
Reed, your mom ain't gonna get pissed, is she?
What?
That car's on fire?
She don't know.
Oh, it's on fire now. Excellent.
And that 4 tires are gonna be burning?
And it's gonna explode when it gets to the gas tank. That'll be real cool.
It's starting a little carbonize. It's starting to carbonize.
Yeah.
Heat
Once
filled
it
it
goes,
with
it's
gas.
gonna take off.
What you should do is someone should go pop that fucking gas tank open.
Yeah, why don't you pussy?
It ain't gonna explode, it's just gonna shoot a large flame out of
Yeah,
it.
open the cap and it
Take the
won't
cap
explode
open
as
and
bad.
jam a stick in there
I want to see it explode.
Yeah, get real close.
so it
to
vents it out.
Jam a stick in it.
It's a pressurized tank.
Yeah, as soon as you put the flapper open.
Yeah, all cars got pressurized gas tanks pretty much if they're like an 80 or newer.
Yeah, we'll blow a hole
Chris,
and
what's
it'll
happening in that
shoot
car?
a flame out of it, won't it?
Starting on fire.
Look at this. We got blown out fucking go-karts.
Broken tie rod.
This is still pregnant.
I've made that comment once, and I will never do it again. Did not do it.
How's the steering?
Sorry. I've done it to a
Are you gonna weld it up?
Yeah. That's what he said earlier.
Yeah, I'm pregnant.
Might as well.
Yeah.
Shit fucking covered
How's
in
it
that
coming
shit.
in there?
Keeps
Burning
on
pretty
breaking.
good? Yeah, it's doing alright. Needs a little ATF to get her going.
Go home and take a shower like
It's a little heat.
You might want these.
What are they? Oh, I don't want those as long as I got all my shit out of there.
Oh, I who knew if they were other keys, so I'm sorry, dude.
Don't worry, babe. It'll just blow off the
Yeah, see, I'm not comfortable. Watch out, Tim.
Hey, you want your
Stand behind us
service
then, so we take the shrapnel for you.
It's not gonna blow up.
Go down there.
It's just gonna shoot a large flame. It's not gonna blow up.
The car is now on fire. I think mine will still run, actually.
Dude's gonna be going through the mud with the car on fire next to him.
I'm gonna put this
Yeah, you think he's gonna give me a tow?
We've got to be the biggest group of idiots.
Turbo seal all over.
Probably, yeah.
I need to tow my car to your house.
Dude, I ain't gonna be in the fucking line of fire for that shit.
I'm on.
Does anybody need a new donut spare?
I'm on a road
before it
from
goes
Highway
away?
11 that connects to
Back there
line.
now.
Hey, I'll push the fucking hole through that gas and it'll blow a flame. It ain't gonna explode.
Hey, what road is this that goes this way? Bob.
North Road. North.
What road is this?
It's his driveway.
The road that goes this way?
Oh,
That's north.
No, that ain't
That's
11.
11 to north, and then this.
This is north? This road right here?
No, the one that connects.
That's north.
This one right here is north?
Yeah, that
So
is.
it's North Road.
North,
Highway
and then
11.
another one south.
Yeah, then I've got a long ass driveway in the back.
Hey, Reed, this is South Road, right?
Yeah, you gonna be able to do that?
Oh.
yeah, it's not right.
I need a match.
All right.
Those
A
are
read
my
sign.
directions.
Ah,
Down
radiator.
11 until you see north.
What a horrible.
These roads are the opposite of what it actually should be
You
at.
ain't putting it out.
There ain't no putting it out
South
now.
goes north, north goes south.
Mm-hmm.
Got a fire extinguisher? Bring one up.
Garrett was going to, but he didn't.
Thought about it too.
No.
when we got in your trailer.
Goddamn electrical fires.
Hey. No, it's not our fault this thing started on fire when you were running it.
I'll push the fucker into the
Watch
mud
out.
hole. I'll put her out. Good.
Chris is gonna get it. He filled it up with gas.
Yeah, they'll put it out.
Bronco out.
No, he has it full of gas.
Everybody get down.
Get the hell out of here.
Well,
It ain't cool unless
this is just going to corral into next weekend up
They're gonna
north.
get upset about that, aren't they?
They might.
It's gonna be a lot of black smoke.
Mm-hmm. Someone's gonna call the cops.
No.
Not out here.
Man, I'm starting to wonder now, boys.
Should we put it out?
No, I mean, good luck.
You ain't gonna put that out now.
Get upset about
You just gotta watch the grass.
It's gonna get way darker than that, dude.
Oh yeah.
Then it's gonna go woof as soon as that gas tank lights up, and it's gonna be.
I can feel the heat from here.
I know. I'm debating if I should go that way. I have it on video camera for you guys.
This is pretty much somewhat ridiculous right here.
Hey, if you can't be ridiculous, tell me something.
That was a bad idea.
Yeah, I don't know if that was the best
I told you guys back years ago.
I wasn't going to do it. I was begging out.
Oh my God.
Reed, you immediately regret this decision, don't you? I didn't really do it, but I... Look at that. The tires aren't even lit up yet.
Hear it?
There goes the window.
Tire.
Let me get some.
Don't get rid of it.
It's gonna be like
That's hot. That's hot as fuck.
I'm over here. I can feel it here.
Need that.
Yeah, you might need
Electrical fire.
Did you know what happened?
Thanks, John.
Look at that. Black. Looks like we're Indians and we're sending smoke signals.
That's right. That's what you tell the cops when they come.
They won't come.
I don't think so. No? You have fires out here?
Yeah,
They look just like... Where'd you put my tools at? They're sitting by the chairs.
We have fire so hot that the trees are waving.
He's got a marshmallow.
Relax. It won't. You're on private property anyway, and it was an electrical fire.
Me and a couple buddies. It's okay. Bring this fucking shut up. It's okay.
It's an electrical fire, and you're on private property, so you got nothing to worry about, man.
Yeah, it's black as fucking hell. Fucking clouds filling out that fucking dude. It'll clear out.
Look at that shit, dude. It looks like Mount St. Helens.
Andrea is gonna be pissed. The fire department will be here.
No, they won't.
His mom will call him, I bet.
Shut up. Fire man, tell her to go.
You better go tell him that.
Tell her it's right by the water. Hey, there's a storm coming, and it'll put it right off.
Nobody got hurt. Luckily, everybody got out already. It was You got keys for that shop? Maybe count. That is very cool. Wait, go jump in the river.